Welcome to the world of Supertec Machines Pvt Limited, a journey of innovation that began in 1980. At the heart of our operations is precision. Critical components, like the crosshead, are manufactured with utmost accuracy. Using state-of-the-art CNC and VMC machines. Here, we see the highly efficient Siloplas extrusion line ready for dispatch. Moving out from our dedicated dispatch area. Every machine is built for durability. Our dedicated area for machine spare part manufacturing ensures quality from the smallest component. And a dedicated CNC bending machine for crafting the precise water cooling troughs for our extrusion lines. We utilize advanced laser cutting machines for flawless machine fabrication. Following this, the complete extrusion line and take-up payoff assemblies come to life in our expansive fabrication and assembly area. Fabrication is streamlined for perfection. Supertec's success is built on human capital. Our strength is our 150 dedicated workers and staff, powering our vision forward. We have grown to become a leader, operating from India's largest working area, a massive 150,000 square feet, dedicated to engineering excellence. Supertec, engineering the future, since 1980.